Welcome to the Continental Refrigerator Service video page. On your new Continental unit, you will receive 3 shelves per section for standard models or 4 shelves per section on glass door models, and 4 support clips per shelf. There are 2 different styles of pilaster strips and clips that will be either standard or heavy duty depending on which model you have. For proper airflow, the bottom shelf in each section should be installed with the clips at the lowest position on the pilaster strip to provide space for sufficient airflow under and around the product. Shelf clips are easily installed by inserting them into the pilaster strips as shown. To install a shelf, simply place it on the 4 clips, making sure the clips are properly located so the shelf is level and supported at each corner. Standard shelving will hold up to 125 pounds per shelf, and heavy-duty shelving will hold up to 225 pounds per shelf, evenly distributed. For proper performance, it is recommended to maintain 2 inches of airspace from product to the back wall, as loading the product too close may restrict airflow. Product stops are available to ensure proper airflow on most Reach-In models. For any additional questions, please visit our website at continentalrefrigerator.com or call our factory at 800-523-7138 and ask to speak to the service department.